Okay, my name is Jeffrey Young from Canada, Vancouver. Probably you've been there. A nice, beautiful place. Okay, what I'm going to talk about today is the ERP. Why is the big to small? We are in the ERP business for a long time, from Exapter, like a computer with SAP, to the middle dynamic GP, Exapter, and Solomon, or you name it. But the way we come to here, the reason is that we believe Intuit really going to change significant in the accounting world, ERP world. Probably today's QuickBook, the market share can be double, maybe even much more, to the space to the up middle spaces. So we see this as an opportunity. So what we believe is basically in the distribution and manufacturing businesses, there is so many confused. A lot of people talk about the supply chain management data they lost. So what we believe is that we can bring a lot of new computing power with a new idea, new KPI, easy to use, and then bring to the low end. And the QuickBooks is not the low end anymore. Probably they will scale in the next can be competed with like a GP or Navision in near future. So what do we want to do to here? Is basically we believe is in the last 2 days, I just thinking that is a simple KPI, and usually those KPI, when you walk into a distribution businesses, they cannot even just really talking about it, they can measure, for instance, the number of sales in the last certain period, let's say 1 year, and then without talking about the dollar value, and then they can really look at what's the performance of the current businesses, what they can do. So here is the screen that I come up in the last 2 days. I tried to did some of the coding myself, and my team's so busy, they won't be able to come here to support me. So what I did is make a markup here. If you can look at this chart, it's pretty simple. Basically, the grid is a lot of items running in these businesses. And if you look at the first 4 rows, we rank an A. How that works is basically they have a great number of hits in the last annual based in their businesses. Actually, this 4 items alone perhaps only take their 10 to 13% of their inventory. But you look at the chart on the top of the blue area, if you can reach to 80% of this, your business is very good. But unfortunately, if you go to the real world, you scan this one, probably we're down to half. And the red one is the next rank, 15%. The later is the rest of the small ones. So thank you very much. Do you have any questions?
So what makes this different than other things that do key point indicators and custom reporting and stuff like that? What's unique about this?
Yeah, there is a lot of outdated metrics, but also there is a lot of conflict. And this one is simple. Everybody have a little bit of education running businesses, they can know right away. But there is no simple mechanism to ranking those items today. So this is the reason this is one typical example, and very effective. And we can touch tons of 100. We can do like a multi-time series. Those are only mega company, mega corporation can do. I think we believe we can bring those things into this world.